In our previous article, we delved into the world of web development and explored the intricacies of choosing the right CMS for your website. Today, we'll take a deeper dive into the essential components that power your website. Let's dive in. Let's begin with server-side languages. These hidden codes play a crucial role in how your website operates. Despite being hidden from your visitors, they are the backbone of your website's functionality. On the other hand, we have front-end languages, also known as client-side languages. These coding languages are executed in the user's browser and are responsible for creating those interactive and captivating experiences we all love on modern websites. The demand for interactive user experiences has skyrocketed, and rightfully so. From eye-catching animations to responsive slideshows, these experiences keep your audience engaged. Now that we understand the importance of both server-side and front-end languages, let's focus on the things to consider when choosing server-side languages. The cost of a server-side language can vary significantly, and it directly impacts the salary of the developers. Certain languages may require ongoing website management and maintenance, adding to the overall cost. Scalability is vital for any web development project. Ensure that there are skilled web developers available who can work with your chosen server-side language. Don't hesitate to consult with your web developer to find the best fit for your specific project. Now, let's shift our focus to the front-end languages and the factors to consider when choosing them. Front-end languages generally have a lower cost compared to server-side languages. However, costs can still vary depending on the language you choose. Each language comes with its own unique features. For instance, Flash is renowned for its multimedia capabilities, while CSS, HTML, and JavaScript provide a search engine-friendly experience. In terms of scalability, you need to consider how your website will perform on various devices, screen sizes, and browsers to provide a seamless experience to all users. As you embark on your web development journey, remember that server-side and front-end languages work hand in hand to create exceptional online experiences. Choose wisely based on cost, scalability, features, and compatibility to build a website that truly stands out. We hope this presentation has shed light on the world of server-side languages and front-end languages. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out and don't forget to visit our website.